Hello everyone, welcome to the IchimokuCharts.com daily analysis for the US dollar index FX futures for Tuesday, August the 2nd, 2011. Well, a continuation of the trend to the upside today, and the candle we're analysing is the second last candle appearing on the chart here. The final candle is the current period that's trading, so that period isn't complete. The candle that we're analysing here has made a higher high and a higher low, so a continuation of the trend to the upside today. Yesterday we warned that there was potential resistance at the cloud, and we can see that the market traded within the cloud and there was downside price rejection. We can see the shadow on the top of this candle, and that represents the buyers losing commitment as the market traded up around that area. The market has closed the trading session between the midpoint level of the range and the high, only just above the midpoint level actually. So we have the buyers in control of this market when the market closed, but it is only very, very weak control. We did have a shadow on the bottom of this candle as well, and that represents the sellers losing commitment as the market was testing down around the lows and testing down below the 74.50 level, where we saw the market may find potential support, and that's exactly what's happened here. The market's opened around that level, tested below. The buyers have come big in. Then the sellers have found, the buyers have found resistance around the bottom of the cloud and within the cloud, and sold off to close the market just above the mid-range level. We do have a green body candle, so on the day between the open and the close, the sellers have made net bullish progress, so that is a positive for this market. The shadow on the top and the bottom and the smallish type body does suggest a type of spinning top type candle, and they're candles of indecision, so it is a fairly indecisive candle, and that's because the buyers lost commitment and the sellers lost commitment. The market is technically bearish in big picture terms by trading below the cloud, but we're trading almost at the cloud, so really the market is quite neutral. In the medium-term time frame, the market is bearish because we're trading down below the Kijun-sen, and that Kijun-sen is pointing flat. And we highlighted yesterday that when the Kijun-sen is flat, price action tends to be attracted back towards there, so that's what's happened for today's trading. The market has continued that trend to the upside and has the potential to test up towards the Kijun-sen, which is trading at 75.38. The market has turned bullish in this small-term time frame by trading up above the Tenkan-sen, the green line here, and that is a change of sentiment in the market that we haven't seen for quite some time. The last time was on the 11th of July, when the market was trading up above the Tenkan-sen, and that's quite some time ago, so there could be a decent change of sentiment in the market. The market, however, will have very solid resistance to trade through, and we do have this level at 74.96.5 or 75, and the area within the cloud, which extends from roughly 74.70 up to about 74.50, let's say. So a very large area of potential resistance for this market. The test for any higher levels will certainly be this 74.96.5 level. So for the next day's trading, we do need to watch the area around that 75 region, but certainly watch the bottom of the cloud where the market is trading at the moment in this uncompleted candle. And we do have potential support once again down at 74.50 if the market does trade down.